Hey there, Sanity Seekers, thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to make two styles of miniature boutique Christmas trees. You will not believe how quick and easy these are to make. You would expect to see these in a boutique shop or home as a tabletop Christmas decoration. They are very, very fancy. For the first tree, I'm using round, flat metal embellishments. I'm cutting it in half and curling it around into a cone shape. Overlapping the edges will allow for a thinner cone shape. And then to simply glue a star-shaped bead or a sequin to the tip as a tree topper. Easy, so easy. For the next tree, I'm using a plastic cone my doctor gave me for my craft. I think it's an ear looker into thingy, but a pen lid would be just as good. Pop it on a pen or tweezers to hold it effortlessly. Cover it in tacky glue and then cover that in glitter. Next, you glue a star bead or sequin to the top and you're done. Feel free to add some extra bling with some nail art gems or similar. These will be going into my itty bitty Christmas shop I'm making. So if you hit the subscribe button, you'll be able to keep tabs on my progress, and I would love you for it. If you found value in my video, please hit the like button and leave a comment. It really helps out my little channel. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye.